Ever wondered how companies like ISRO, Infosys, or Tata Steel run smoothly and meet their goals? It all comes down to five key functions of management. Let us explore them in just 3 minutes. Planning is the first and most essential function of management. It's about setting goals and deciding in advance what needs to be done, how, when, and by whom. It's goal oriented. You plan to achieve something. It's futuristic. You look ahead, anticipate challenges. It involves decision making, choosing the best path from many. It reduces uncertainty by forecasting and being proactive. Think of ISRO satellite missions. Before a launch, they decide the design, the timeline, the budget. Everything is meticulously planned. Without planning, everything else becomes directionless. Organizing comes next. It's about arranging resources, roles, and responsibilities to put the plan into action, identifying the tasks, grouping them into departments, assigning duties, and establishing reporting relationships. In a hospital, organizing ensures doctors, nurses, and technicians are deployed efficiently across departments like surgery, ICU, and OPD. Organizing builds a strong structure that allows work to flow smoothly. Now let us talk about staffing. Getting the right people for the right jobs. It includes recruiting, training, developing, and retaining talent. Manpower planning, recruitment and selection, training and development, appraisals, promotions, and compensation. Infosys recruits fresh graduates from colleges and trains them in coding and communication at its Mysore campus. Staffing ensures you have skilled and motivated employees who can drive the organization forward. Fourth is directing, also called leading. It involves guiding, motivating, and supervising employees so that the work gets done effectively. Supervision, monitoring work. Motivation, inspiring employees. Leadership, influencing teams. Communication, ensuring clarity. In a busy restaurant, the manager leads the team, encourages the staff, resolves issues, and ensures customer satisfaction. Directing turns plans into action and builds a motivated, collaborative environment. Finally, we have controlling, the function that ensures the actual work is aligned with the plan, setting standards, measuring actual performance, comparing results, and taking corrective action if needed. Tata Steel managers constantly monitor production, assess quality, and make changes to meet targets. Controlling helps you stay on track and improve continuously. To wrap it up, planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling from the backbone of effective management. No matter the size of the business, these functions help achieve success. Like, share, and follow for more short lessons in management and business.